the humanity is going to be evolving in a near few centuries in our apparel, in the things that we wear, that will become friendly to the environment that we live in?
Well, it can go in a few different directions simultaneously, but ultimately will wind up where we have wound up, which is we have what you would call a singular garment that is a product of a kind of nanotechnology. You understand the term?
Mm-hmm.
And that single garment becomes anything we want it to be.
Huh. How?
Through nanotechnology. It's an artificially intelligent garment. You can actually tell it, now be red, now keep me warm, now keep me cool, now turn into a spacesuit. And it will do so because it has been programmed with all those abilities.
Is this something that we can achieve in our lifetimes here?
You can. The question isn't can you, the question is will you?
Huh. But it's
It
probable.
takes focus. Mm-hmm. It takes a willingness to go in that direction. So if you can do something to inspire people who understand that technology to explore that opportunity in fashion, then maybe there is something you can do about accelerating that particular line. Yes?
Yes.
So it's up to your imagination as to how to do that. The first thing about fashion is what you're wearing as an energy field. Everything else takes its cue from that. Everything else.